Thank you for watching. In this episode, I will show how I repurpose things like kitchen cabinets, old dressers, desks, stuff like that. Being someone who grew up in the trades, I've always understood how to cut corners and save money. In recent years, with the boom of DIY, a lot of new products have come out to make it easier. I will use one in this video that I found saves a lot of labor and improves the look of something that's been around for 20 years. Paint has always been a popular way to repurpose. Today I'm using a paint that requires no prep or sanding, just clean and then paint. All my kitchen cabinets were a mismatch of years of freebies from remodel jobs, garage sale finds. Perfect for a ranch kitchen, and I saved a lot of money going this route. As you see, it's nothing to look at. So my interior colors are based on desert colors, mostly earth tones, but if they are done right, can give the right vibe you might be trying to achieve. Okay, so here's a preview of what it looks like to just paint cabinets. There's a lot of products out there with this new paint. Basically, there's no sanding or anything like that. Go right over the clear coat. Really easy to use. Didn't take any prep work to do this other than removing the doors and the hardware. But didn't take long. I kind of like the way it turned out. It's washable, nice sheen. Okay, so today I'm repurposing this bed set that I got for free. Gonna paint it with leftover paint I had from the cabinets. I had already painted the dressers that were old from my childhood, and I think a garage sale I got the other one. But I like the color, so I painted the bedroom set, and we're gonna see what it looks like all together. So there you have it, the finished product. I really like these paints. It's nice washable sheen that's on them. Almost looks like original. I don't know, you can make your own call, but there's one of the dressers. I had that since I was 14, and it looks like it almost matches. This one's not in bad shape for being as old as it is. This is the other one. I believe I actually got this for free off of Craigslist from the free section. Here's another project. This was a desk that I had that I threw together for a friend. It needs an upgrade, needs a new life, so I decided to do something. This is a good example for using stain. So I basically stained the top with barn red stain and clear coated it. Front drawers I took off and painted it with black Rust-Oleum paint. These knobs finished it off perfectly. So here's the finished product. It's my little music studio. I like the new look. Maybe you could do something at home like this yourself. It's not that hard. Well, that's another video. I'm enjoying my fire outside now, relaxing. And I am trying to grow the channel, so I really appreciate if you could hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. These algorithms make it really hard to get the content out there, so really appreciate you watching. Thank you. Have a good one.